Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my morning cleaning routine, and this is also in collaboration with Yesenia from Mommy Life. And here is a little clip from her video.
Hi, I'm coming from Mother's Life. I do cleaning videos every Monday. I am a stay-at-home mother for kids, and I would love you guys check my channel out.
So definitely go check out her video once you're done watching mine, and I will leave her video down below. So I like to start off by clearing off the table from all our breakfast dishes, and now I am just putting away all the dishes from last night's dinner. And now I'm going to hand wash the few dishes we have in the sink and wipe down the countertops and table. Heading into the living room, I'm going to wipe down the coffee table and end tables. And as you see, I am missing a couch cover, but it's because my dog did throw up on it and it's actually in the wash right now. And since it is still pretty early, the only thing I'm going to do in my bedroom is make the bed and put that glass away. And if you saw my daughter's back to school haul, these items are still in my room, but don't worry, I put them back in her room today. And thank you so much for watching. Definitely go check out Yesenia's video. I will leave that link down below. Thank you. Bye.